I used to dread running, but now I love it. Here's how you can start too. First, invest in good running shoes for support. Start slow with a mix of walking and jogging. Set achievable goals and track your progress. Stay consistent and listen to your body. Remember, it's okay to take breaks. Join a running group for motivation and support. And most importantly, have fun and enjoy the journey. You got this. To build muscle mass effectively, focus on compound exercises like squats and deadlifts. Make sure to eat enough protein to support muscle growth and get sufficient rest for recovery. Progressive overload is key, so gradually increase weights to challenge your muscles. Stay consistent with your workouts and listen to your body to prevent injuries. Remember, building muscle takes time and dedication, but the results are worth it. So, train hard, eat well, and rest up to achieve your muscle-building goals. Feeling stressed and stiff? Let's flow into some yoga poses for ultimate stress relief and flexibility. Start with child's pose to relax your mind and stretch your back. Transition into downward dog for a full body stretch and calming effect. Move into warrior two to build strength and focus. Finish with corpse pose to release tension and find peace. Practice these poses regularly to boost your mood and increase flexibility. Namaste.
Looking to stay fit without any fancy equipment? No problem. Try bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks. Mix it up with high knees, mountain climbers, and burpees for a killer cardio workout. Don't forget to include lunges, tricep dips, and bicycle crunches for a full body burn. And hey, who needs weights when you've got water bottles or backpacks for added resistance? Get creative, stay motivated, and crush those home workouts like a boss.